Hi, I'm Tammy Salamone, the Pink Survivor. This is going to be a great beginner's stretching routine. I'm going to do everything standing up, and we're going to try and just stretch kind of from our head down to our toes. So first, what you're going to do is just stand here, take a good deep breath here, and then just kind of reach up, up, up. Kind of reach with your fingers. You can even come up on your toes a little bit. And we're just trying to stretch our bodies and reach and reach. This is great to do after your workout or at the end of the day if you just need a little extra stretching. Okay, next what we're going to do is a neck stretch. So what I want you to do is just stand here and just try and relax your shoulders. And you're just going to try and turn your neck and try and look behind you. So you're just trying to look, and we're holding it. I just finished my workout, so this is perfect. Just to kind of bring your heart rate down, get a little extra flexibility and stretching it. So now I'm just turning and looking over the other shoulder. Same exact thing on the other side. Great. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to try and bring our ear towards our shoulder. So the main thing is your shoulders should be relaxed. I'm trying to kind of just bring this ear towards this shoulder. You feel a good stretch right here. On the opposite side. Let's bring it forward just for a few seconds. And then over to the other side, same thing. So I'm just trying to focus on bringing my ear towards my shoulder. Good stretch here on the opposite side. Don't forget to take some good deep breaths. And also, please like and subscribe. I appreciate it so much, and I need your likes and your subscriptions to grow my channel. Okay, next let's do some shoulders. First, let's roll our shoulders. Let's roll it back a few. Let's roll it forward. So kind of just rolling. It feels real good. Now you're going to bring one arm, you're going to bring it across, and then if you want to, you can just kind of give yourself a little tug there on that arm with the opposite. So a little shoulder stretch here. And then we're just going to do the same exact thing coming up on the other side. Let's go ahead and switch. So this one comes out, across. Great. Okay, let's move on to a little chest stretch. So what you're going to do is grab your hands behind you, and let's try and just open up your chest, straighten out your arms, and you should feel a good stretch all the way across here. Next, we're going to move on a little bit to the back. So what you're going to do, because we're standing, you're going to have like a little bend in your knees here. I like to put my hands right here for some support. And you can round your back. And then we're going to arch it here. So hopefully you feel the difference there. So I'm kind of rounding. And then an arch. One more time. Good. Okay. Next, let's kind of just work our hips a bit. If you need to hold on to something, feel free. What you're going to do first is you're going to come up, kind of just open it and back down. Let's just kind of open this a little bit, just a couple times here, and then switch. Let's do the same thing on this side first. So you come up and it kind of opens and down. Good. So you're going to stand very wide now. You're going to come down here. I like to put my elbows kind of inside of my knees here, and then I'm just kind of pulling it out against the inside of my leg. Getting a little hip stretch there and inside of the leg too. The upper leg, you feel this one. Go ahead and come up. Another one also, you might need to hold on to something. You're gonna cross your foot on top of your knee, and then you'll kind of sit back into that. Very good hip stretch. You can do this seated, you can also do this on the floor, or like I said, just kind of hold on to something for balance. Hold this. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Hopefully I don't fall. Perfect. Get your balance, focus on a spot. There we go. Kind of sit back and down. Great. Let's keep moving on here with our legs. Again, if you need to hold on to something, go ahead. But you're going to grab your foot or your ankle, and you're going to get a good stretch in the front of your leg here. So holding here for a quad stretch. Great. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Don't forget to get some good deep breaths in too. Here we go. Hold this for just a little bit longer. Great. What you're going to do next is we did the front, we're going to try and stretch the back of our leg. Just standing here, feet about shoulder width apart, trying to bring your fingers towards your toes. Do the best that you can. Maybe you're only going to come down this far, but you just keep going till you get a good stretch. You'll feel it right in your hamstrings back there. Great. Let's come up slowly here. Let's just roll out our ankles. You can do one at a time here. You could rotate your wrists a little bit too if you like. We're going to switch. Just hold on to something if you need to and do one side at a time. Great. And then just with our waist a little bit, let's just do a little bit of twisting here. Side to side. You get your waist, your lower back. This feels real good too. Little standing side bend here. This side. Let's come up now and just get one good deep breath in here. Great, I hope you enjoyed this little quick standing beginning stretching routine, and I'll see you guys next time.